Hey, pretty bird. What you doing? Boop. Good bird. Good birdie. You want scratches? Scratches? Cream? Do you want scratches? Scratches? No, give him scratches. Don't let him.
He doesn't want them.
What are you saying it? Scratches?
He won't take them right now.
No, he's too interested in preening your,
If he's preening me, he doesn't want them.
Yeah, don't preen that hard, bird. Scratches? Bird, you want scratches? Scratches? Stop teasing him. Oh, good bird. Scratches. He wants scratches, but he knows you have that hang now, so he wants it. No, bird, come on, do scratches. You want scratches? Use another finger.
What?
Use a different finger. Scratches? Scratches? No. Scratch? No. Cream? Cream? Okay, good bird. All done with that. No.
Told you he doesn't want them.
Oh, boop. Yep, that's right. Boop. Scratches? No. They don't want to be preened. Scratches?
Hey, pretty bird.
Hey, pretty bird. Do you want more scratches? Or are you all done? All done. Okay. All done.
All done.
All done. All done?
All done.
All done. Good bird.
Good bird.